The plagiarism detection tool in Brightspace is called Urkund. That's our new one that comes in place of SafeAssign. And unlike SafeAssign in Blackboard, it's not automatic, so we must actually set it up and turn it on for specific assignments. It's quite easy to do. Once your assignments are set up, you can go to Assessment and then Originality Checker. And once you're in here, you'll see a list of the assignments you've created. And over here on the right, you'll have the ability to turn the plagiarism detection on or to switch it off. So in this particular case, I have 2 transcriptions. I don't need to check them for plagiarism. They should hopefully be all the same. Then the academic review does need to be checked. And then the presentation won't have any file upload, and so that doesn't need to be checked either. So once you switch that on, you'll be able to check each assignment for cases of plagiarism.